Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I know I haven't done an updo in quite a while, so I just wanted to come here and show you a really quick updo. I am starting on blow dried hair. You can stretch out your hair with whichever method works for you, but I just wanted to blow dry it quickly. So I'm just making sure that the part is clear, it goes all the way down, and I'm going to make two little puffs. I'm going to use age control to lay my edges. I'm using Play and Stay from Eco Styler, and I'm just going to brush it in. So I just put the edge control at the front part. You don't really need to put it at the back because we will be covering it, but yeah, so I'm just brushing it back. I missed a little part of the edge control, but I did catch it later on and I fixed that. So I'm trying to tie the little puff towards the middle of my head, only because I'll be somehow joining the two little puffs. So I'm going to use, I actually used 4 packs of hair just because the packs of hair that I bought, like, they were so tiny that like only 2 were not enough, so I joined 2 for each side. And I'm just going to loosely twist it, and then just to make sure that the twisting is secure, I'm going to tie it with a rubber band at the end of it, and then I'll be just repeating that on the other side as well. Like so. It is super easy. Don't twist it too tightly because it's not going to be as big if the twist is too tight, and I don't think it's going to look exactly the same. So I'm just going to make sure that my little puffs are covered. So I'm going to cover them and then just pin them to make sure that it stays the way I want it to stay. And then after that, I'm pretty much just forming a number 8 between the two little puffs. As you can see, I took the hair under the other ponytail thing that I'm not using at the moment. Make sure you pull it under, not on top of it. And I'm just pinning, guys. Like, the key to this style is just making sure everything is pinned properly so that it does not move at all, no matter what you're doing. And then see the other side, I'm just pulling it under, like, make sure you pull it under on the right side, kind of thing, like the same way that I did it. And then as you can see, the little tail, I'm pulling it and I'm trying to fix like the twist to make sure that the little tail goes on the bottom side of the bun thing, just because if it goes on the side it won't look as symmetric. So make sure it goes on the bottom side, and again, pin it, and make sure that it is secure as possible. Bobby pins, like, you can never go wrong. Like, you can never go wrong with using a lot of them. It's like when you don't use enough, that's when things go crazy. So just use as many as you need until you feel like it's completely secure. So I'm just going to add a few accessories for me. Like, if I was not going anywhere, I would just wear it like that, but if I'm going somewhere, I would accessorize it a little bit with these little pins that I got from Icing. That's pretty much it for the style, guys. Thanks for coming by my channel. Don't forget to thumbs it up, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I see you on this channel again next time. Thank you for coming by. I will see you, and you're awesome. Thanks. Bye.